Sing it.
What do you want me to sing?
Whatever, you said you were going to sing a song for me.
I love you. What's going on?
Honey, if you bump into me, the video will be really wobbly. Okay, go ahead, Kate.
I love you. You are the best mom in the world. I love you. You are the bestest,
I
bestest
think so.
mom in
That's a
the
good thing you got
world.
out when you did before she blew up like that
It's
Vesuvius.
really true.
The volcano?
Yeah. But speaking of
It's
volcanoes,
really
man, and they have finally kicking this last for me. Yeah, lava spewing, hot ass.
You
Or
are
summer
the
going.
bestest mom in the world.
Okay, Katie. Thank you. That was really nice.
Thank you for being
What do you
done.
want to talk about?
My one.
Okay.
Mine.
Okay.
And then, no, it isn't. Mine.
Somebody's always screaming. Katie, it's Sammy's turn. Okay.
You are the best mom in the world. I love you. You're the best mom in the world.
Oh, that's nice in the background.
I love you. You are the best.
Come over this way, Sam.
It's mom in the world. I love you. I love you. I really, really love you. You are the best mom in the world.
Okay, Maddie, your turn right here. Front of Katie. You guys can sing a real song. You don't have to just sing the same things over and over again.
Did it well time. My turn after that.
Tell me a story, Madeline.
Make more
Wait,
sense.
come back here, Maddie. Come over here to the camera.
Any sense.
Tell, what did the beautiful princess do? Over here, Maddie. Look at mommy. Did you tell the camera? Tell the camera about your potty training. Can you rattle that just a little louder and a few more times? Say you're a big girl now. Because where does the potty go?
In the potty too.
Yay! Clap your hands. Good job.
My turn.
You gonna tell me how you're potty trained?